Okay, so how I got started? Basically, a couple of years ago, I would say 3 to 4 years ago, I got really intrigued about this market. Okay, did some research online, I saw some YouTube videos, and I just saw that you can make a lot of money in this industry, right? And it's an industry that if you take it seriously, you can actually make more money than any doctor, lawyer, or any professional out there that is looking to that has a degree, right? So I didn't take the degree route. I did some college, but I didn't complete or get my degree. So I had to find a way to actually become self-sufficient, right? Because they always say if you don't have a degree, you can't get a good job. Well, that's a bunch of baloney, anyway. But for me, growing up, my mom has once said to me, well, if you don't want to go that route, why don't you take the career of becoming a stockbroker? So I became a New York City stockbroker. I passed the Series 7, and I became also a financial advisor, right? So my history, my background has a lot to do with becoming or being a financial advisor, right? I had my Series 63, 66, life, health, very newly licensed, and a Series 7. So I was really remarkable. By a lot of the interviews that I went on at major companies, they hired me on the spot because I had those licenses, okay? So I was making good income and everything, but the industry has changed because when I first got into becoming a stockbroker, the dot-com bubble burst. And a lot of the firms that were out there hiring stockbrokers was laying stockbrokers off at the same time. It was crazy. So I had to change careers and let all my licenses lapse and maintain one particular license, which I still have today, which is a life, health, and renewal license. And I transitioned from becoming a stockbroker into becoming a health insurance agent. So I started working for a major company out here in Florida, right? And I'm still with the company. Past 13 years, I'm still with the company, making good money. Okay, I'm not complaining. It's a great job. I have some great coworkers. The establishment, they take good care of their people, right? But what I found out is I wasn't making enough money to live the lifestyle that I always wanted to live. So I had to find another avenue, another way to make an additional income. So what fell in my lap? Trading the Forex market, right? So a friend of mine at work was, looking at charts at work and so on and so forth on his breaks. And I was intrigued. So I went to him, I said, what is that? He said, well, this is a chart. I'm studying the charts because I plan to place some trades in the Forex market. And I was like, intriguing. So tell me more, right? So I got really interested and I started to do my own due diligence, started to do my own research. So I went to, where did I go? YouTube University. I went to YouTube, started doing some research on YouTube, and I came across a lot of successful people, a lot of young professionals making a good living trading the Forex market. And then, what I really realized is that it's not easy to be a Forex trader, okay? Because I went in thinking that it was easy, and it's not easy, okay? If I knew what I knew today before I got started trading the Forex market, I would have took a different path. Because my path was I jump in, do some money in a brokerage account, and I started trading that account, and guess what? I blew the account. I lost the money, right? Not knowing how to read charts, not knowing exactly what's going on in the market, not understanding technical analysis, not understanding fundamental analysis. So these are the things that I didn't know, that I wish I did know, right? Which would have allowed me to become a successful trader that I am today. Fast forward to today, right? 3-4 years later. Now I'm profitable. I understand exactly what's going on in the market. And I also have a class that I teach on Saturday, right? I teach a bunch of people how to trade the Forex market. All right, and I also have my private Facebook group. There's over 300 people in the Facebook group. I have a private chat that I invite you to become part of if you want to allow me to be mentor you on learning how to trade the Forex market. So I'm self-taught. I put in plenty of hours back testing my strategy. I practice, I eat, sleep, drink Forex. Okay, if there's anybody, they should put my picture right next to the definition of Forex in the dictionary, because that's me. Because when you see me, you got to think that, hey, he knows what he's talking about, because he's engaged, he's involved, he's into what he's doing, and I do it often, right? I turn off the TV to study the market. I turn off the TV to trade. I turn off the TV to read the charts and so on and so forth. So I say all that to tell you that it takes time to learn how to become a successful trader. Okay, and I'm still learning. There's so much to learn. Okay, but today I did a training today not too long ago, and in my training today I broke down my strategy. I shared with the class, if you will, the steps I take to become a profitable trader. Okay, now I'm gonna I want to invite you to reach out to me so you can get a recording of that video that I did for the training today. Okay, so I'll send you that link because I want to make that link private, and then all you gotta do is put in the description area, send me the link, and I'll send you the link so you can watch that video in its entirety. I probably eventually will make it live or available to the masses, but I just recorded it today, and it's for private eyes only. So if you want to be the ones that actually see or watch that video, you gotta request it. Okay, so there'll be a link in the description to request it. All right, so I've created a club, I created a private Facebook group, I created a private Facebook chat, and I invite you to be part of that. Right, my club is called MetroFX Traders, and I am the owner and operator of that club, and I teach, train, and share how to trade the Forex market. Right, and I also screenshot my trades and post it up in my private Facebook chat. That way my students can see exactly what I'm doing, and they can have an opportunity to post up their trades as well, so I can watch and educate and train them on what they're doing, right or wrong, right? So I can actually advise them on what to look for when they actually place a trade. Now, not all trades are winning trades. There'll be trades that are losers, right? So you have to be comfortable knowing that you're going to lose on a certain number of trades you place. But I always encourage everybody on my team to trade through a demo account first. Create a demo account. Now there'll be a link to my website where you can actually choose a broker to create a demo account. Okay, MetroFXTraders.com is my website address. But if you click the link below in the description area, it'll take you directly to the website. You'll find several brokers that I recommend that you can sign up for free, create a demo account, and then reach out to me so I can do one-on-one trainings with you, where I can invite you to my private chat on Facebook. And I just created a Telegram group as well, so I invite you to reach out to me to be part of that Telegram group. And if you feel so inclined to hire me as your mentor, I have a mentorship program as well. Okay, I also promote an academy, and that with the academy, it'll teach you the fundamentals and the basics of what you need to do, how to get started trading correctly. Okay, so I always encourage people to join the academy, get the fundamentals first, and then jump on my Saturday 12 o'clock boot camp training so that they understand exactly what I'm teaching. Okay, and if you still can't get it, we can do one-on-ones as well. So you can reach out to me, we can book a one-on-one, do a Zoom chat, and I can teach you exactly what steps you need to take to become profitable in the market as well. So I'm not gonna make this video so long. I wanna just basically say thank you so much for watching. Click the links below to learn more about MetroFXTraders.com and more about me. And I look forward to just helping anybody who wants to learn how to trade the Forex market. Okay, like I said, Rome wasn't, I didn't say it, but I'm gonna say it now. Rome wasn't built in a day. It's gonna take time for you to learn exactly what you need to learn to become successful at trading the Forex market. There's so much to learn, but once you get it, this is a great thing. Nobody can take it away from you. Once you get that skill, you can make as much money as you want, okay? And once you're profitable and you're consistent and you know exactly what you're looking for in the markets, and also how to avoid the landmines, right? The pitfalls, how to avoid certain things in the market, which I'm going to teach you what to do to avoid those things. Once you learn how to do all of that, then you're going to be on the right road to prosperity. Okay, so with that being said, subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the bell button, that way you get notification when I do videos like this. And in the next couple of episodes, I'll be sharing and talking and providing more value and giving you more content within the channel itself. So thanks so much for watching. You all have a wonderful day and enjoy your weekend. Take care.